Today I'm going to tell you a math trick to memorize the 4 times table. So I'm going to show you my MMI method to memorize the 4 times table. So this is my MMI method, and you can download and print this practice paper from the link below. So you have to write the 2 times table from 2 to 8 in each corner, and in the last corner write a 0. So the pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Now let's do a pattern practice. Say with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. One last time. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. That's right, you did a great job. Now we are going to write it. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So now we are going to write it. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. And do the same on the other end. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Next, we have to fill in the I. The 4 and 8. On the top of the first M, you have to put that 4 in the top right part of the I and put the 8 in the bottom right part of the I. Now we are going to write it. 8 here, 4 here. Now we have the ones digits done. Now we have to split it up into 4 sections. The first section is the top on the first M. And the second section is the bottom on the first M. And the third section is the top on the second M. And the last section is the bottom on the second M. On the top row of the first M, write 0 in front. So this is the top row on the first M, and write 0 in front. So 0 and 0. On the bottom section of the first n, write 1 in front of 2 and 6. And write 2 in front of the 0. Now I am going to write it. 1 1 and 2. On the top section of the second n, write 2 in front of 4 and 8. And on the bottom section of the second n, write 3 in front of 2 and 6. Now we are going to write it. 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 The last part is you have to write 4 in front of 0 and in front of the numbers in the I. So you have to write 4 in front of the 0 and the numbers in the I. Now we're going to write it. So 4 and 4. So now we have our 4 times table up to 4 times 12 using the MMI method. Now we are ready to fill in the 4 times table using my MMI method. Look, this is my MMI method. So this is the 4 times table we are going to fill out. So this is the way we get the 4 times table from this paper to this paper. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20. Now let's write it. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 4 times 12 is 48. Now we finish our 4 times table up to 12. Download and print this and master the 4 times table. The MMI method is the easiest math trick that I use to memorize the 4 times table. Remember, all of you can do this because all of you are smart. Practice and master it, and I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.